Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today I wanted to do a fiery look, so this is the look that I came up with. This spotlight cut crease. I used a bunch of reds and burgundies and like a little orange spotlight just to give this nice like gradient that I just had in my head that I wanted to do. It's super dramatic, but I think that it's really pretty. So if you are interested in seeing how I was able to get this look, then please stay tuned. Please also continue to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow our family. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Let's go ahead and get started. First we're going to start off with this white NYX pencil because I do want these orange and reds to pop. Now we're going to go ahead and start with the blending brush. This is the blending brush that I'm starting with. We're going to start off going in with this orange color here. And this is from the Festival palette from Juvia's Place. And this is the color called Ophala. Okay, so that is good. That pigmentation is fire. So if you don't have Juvia's Place palettes, they are bomb. Like, look at that pigmentation. I didn't have to build it up much. It just comes off the bat. Next, we're going to go ahead and blend out the harsh lines. So we're going to go in with this color called Oreal, and it is this mustard color here. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. That looks nice and blended, and look at that line. Now we're going to go ahead and go into the inner part of the eye, just right underneath where we have the concentrated orange color, and we're going to go into a deeper red color. It's kind of like a burgundy, and it's called Izafa, and it's this color right here. And I'm going in with a smaller blending brush to do that. And just clean that off. It is this brush here, and we're going to start to do this color now. Okay, so that is good. This color is nice and built up, and I like how it's looking so far, but I do want to deepen it just a little more. So I'm going to go into a different palette now. To deepen that color even more, we're going to go into Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, and we're going to go into this dark burgundy color here. It's in the middle of the palette, and the colors are not on the palette, so I can't tell you what color it is, but it's the deep burgundy color. I'm going to tap that right into the two ends here, because this is going to be a halo eye. So I'm using this brush here with no product on it to brush away harsh lines. And then I feel like just for the inner parts and this inner part right here, I just need something just a little deeper. So I'm going to go into this plum color here to deepen that. Okay, so now it's time to go ahead and cut the crease. We're going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in Pure Beige, and we're going to cut the crease. Okay, so now we're going to taper in the ends of this. So we're going to go in with this plum color here and mix it with this burgundy color here. Now we're going to go ahead and go in to our orange color, and we're going into Orange You Fancy. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills Artist Palette, and I'm using this flat brush here. And I'm using this brush just to start blending to get everything together. I haven't added any additional product yet. Alright, beauty, so now we're going into the Fenty Galaxy palette and into that pinky orange color that was in the corner. And I applied it with my finger first to get as much pigmentation as I could, and then with the brush. And now this is a pigment from Splash Cosmetics, and it is a pink gold pigment, and I just applied that to the very top of the halo eye just to give it a little of a spotlight effect. And now I'm just blending back and forth to make sure that the colors are blending together. Then going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going into the burgundy color and the plum color mixed together. And I am just going back over the outer and inner corner and blending those into the center to help to create that spotlight halo. I'm just blending any harsh lines at the top right now with no product. Then I went into the burgundy and the plum color from the Jaclyn Hill and put it under my eye. And now I'm using the NYX matte liner to create my wing liner. The shadow that I did under my eye is not going to last because of my foundation, so I just suggest you just wait until after you do your foundation, if you do your eyes first, to do under the eyes, because once you put your foundation and concealer on, you're going to end up covering it. And you'll see how I'm going to end up having to go back in and re-add that. And now I just went into my Becca Evermatte Poreless Primer, and I'm priming my skin. It's already moisturized. Then I'm going in with my two foundations I've been using lately. It's the Estee Lauder mixed with the Maybelline 24 Hour Stay. This is my current concoction, and it turns out to be my perfect complexion mixed together, but one is to go with it alone and one is too neutral alone. But together, they come together and make a good color. And also, I like to use the Estee Lauder one because it has 25 SPF. Now I'm going into the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm going into the color Pure Beige. And to contour, I'm going to be going in with the color Beautiful. Now, I had to come and do voiceover because I had timed out perfectly how I was gonna, do my makeup tutorial. And my husband had a client come over, and she came over early, So I ended up having to stop my taping. And the taping that he did took some hours. And then I was like cooking dinner for my kids. And so my eyeshadow was halfway done. And I almost gave up on this look because I just, after you do it, you stop liking it after a while. But I was like, you know what, let me just finish it. And I'm happy I did because I think that it actually ended up coming out really cute and just unique. So right now I'm just using a blending sponge to blend my concealer out. And this is the Real Technique sponge, I believe. It's so dirty, I can't even tell. I need to wash my sponges. Don't judge me, guys. And then I was about to put in the pencil in my waterline, but it was not time for that. I have other powders and stuff to do, so I just put that back. But this is the CoverGirl setting powder in the medium. And I'm just setting all of the highlighted areas right now. I actually really like this powder. I like to double powder because I am oily. So now I'm going in with the medium deep to go into all of my contoured areas. And this is the other CoverGirl powder. And then I'm bronzing up with the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer from the Queen Collection. And I am going into all of the areas where I usually contour just to add some more shadow there. Then I'm blending away that CoverGirl powder, and it is leaving a white cast. So what I like to do is use my Sacha Buttercup powder after that, and it brings some color back into my face, brings some life back. It also serves as a barrier for when I'm putting the shadows underneath my eye. So I'm about to do my eyeliner now. This is the time to do my eyeliner because I've already done the powders now. Then going into that bright orange color and putting that under my eye. And then into that burgundy color and blending that as well. And I'm mixing that all in with the black liner to smoke it out. Then going in with my L'Oreal my L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. It's one of my favorites from the drugstore. And applying my lash now. These lashes are from AliExpress. If you have time, AliExpress actually has some really nice lashes, around $3 a piece. So I would definitely look at their faux mink lashes. They are affordable and they are pretty good quality. I've reused these several times. Brushed away the excess powder, and now I'm adding blush with whatever was left on my blush brush. And then I'm going into Booming Highlighter from Makeup Shayla ColourPop Collection and using that as my inner corner highlight, brow highlight, and face highlight. I think you can tell I love this highlight, right? So I am just applying that, and it is booming. I love that name because that's what it is. Got me over here gleaming. Adding my shiny nose. Highlighting that highlighted tip and bridge of the nose. And now the Cupid's bow. And now we're going into the lippy. This is Ooh from Makeup Shayla ColourPop Collection. And then this is just a brown lip liner I got from the Beauty Supply. So any dark brown lip liner you may have, or medium brown, not too dark. And after mixing the two colors, I wanted this to get a little creamier, so I went into the Maybelline Driver lipstick and added that just to the center and blended that. Then added some more pencil because I wanted this color to be like brownish nude color. Then Ambitious from Makeup by Bow lipstick and more Driver from Maybelline. Then I'm going to go back to my Cupid's bow and re-add a little bit of booming. And then this is the Knee Free Gloss from the Makeup Shayla ColourPop Collection, and I'm topping it off with. And I am so happy that I stuck with this look and just finished it because it is popping. Alright beauties, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It took me some time to get this done. Even though it's going to flow for you guys, there was some time in between, so I ended up having to do voiceover for the other half because I started this early in the day and then my husband had a client come by early and it threw everything off as far as me completing this look. So by the end of the day my kids were running around, so I had to do voiceover. So that's why it starts off with me talking and then ends in voiceover. But I hope you guys still enjoyed this look and still enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know what you guys think below. Also let me know if there's anything specific that you would like me to do in the comments below, and I will definitely do that. Thank you guys so much for your support and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.